Hey, this is Vince with Creative Rods. We're going to take a shop tour to see an update from yesterday, see what's going on, and talk to the guys around the shop. Check it out. Nate Dog. Come over and tell me what you've been doing to this 69 Camaro.
Well, we found a little oil leak in the valve cover gaskets, so I'm going to change those out. And just doing odd and end little cleanups on it.
I think he's going to sell this or take it to Auto Fair in Charlotte here coming up about 2 weeks.
Okay. We changed out some bolts to some nicer countersunk looking bolts.
Little odds and ends here and there. Check out those bolts. Adds a little touch in the fender wells.
We added the mirrors on the side.
Got the mirrors. Goes along with his door handles.
Some new Eddie's Motorsports.
Oh
billet hinges.
yeah, billet hinges. Yeah. We almost done. We got a little paint work on the hood, underneath, on top, little chips. Cool.
What up? Over here, wiring up the dash, the instrument cluster.
You're taking naps.
Whatever. I'm only taking naps when my feet are up above the windshield. That's when I'm taking naps.
Don't the blood rush to your head?
That's what helps my nap.
That's
Oh.
what's wrong with that's
Yeah.
what's wrong with them.
It knocks you out, puts you out cold.
Yep.
Motor's starting to look good.
She's getting there.
Little chrome. I talked to the owner. He don't want to change out that old alternator.
No.
Said leave it in there for now.
All right.
Well, hello there. How you doing? How you doing? You doing okay? Got done putting down a little bit of color on the Challenger hood. So I'm gonna hang out for a while.
Let's go check it out.
After you.
Oh yeah.
Still needs a little bit. Not too shabby for a little repair job, you know.
The 70 Charger we had in here the other week definitely looks better than it did before.
That is for sure. Oh, we ain't got a whole lot of stuff on the whole thing.
No, we don't have much. We're just trying to get some odds and ends taken care of, get these little projects done so we can get them on out the door and get on to the next.
Right. We
Got
got
a lot of
big things coming, so we gotta get this.
We got the black Camaro. Pretty much be done with it at the end of the week. We got the red 69 Camaro Pro Touring that should be done by the end of the week. Charger done. First of next week. We gotta get some pinstripe going on it next week with Charlie. What else we got? 66 truck. We're wiring it up, put new motor in it, so it should be done. So trying to get all that done so we can take on new projects that we got in from Run to the Sun.
That's right. Thought we'd be coming up.
Yeah.
Talk to a lot of people.
Lots of people.
Lots of people. Good potential customers. And some that's supposed to be coming by within the next couple of weeks. So
Yes, sir.
if y'all want something done, y'all know where to come.
You better get on the list.
That's right. It's getting longer.
Jeremy. Oh, we missed Jeremy. Let's go talk to Jeremy.
We talked Jeremy.
What y'all two gentlemen doing this afternoon?
Oh, what you getting ready to do?
I got to do a little spot priming on our 69 Camaro hood that we were working on yesterday that Mr. Vince showed you. A couple spots I'm not happy with, so I want to prime them again so that once we paint it, it'll be nice and smooth and won't have any issues like the customer had before he came here.
Yeah, it was bad.
Yes.
It was bad, and we don't allow that.
Somebody covered up some
Somebody covered up some boo-boo.
old boo-boo.
Some old boo-boo.
Cool.
Yes,
And we
sir.
start from scratch.
Or either that, or we gotta go back and undo what they did and
That's
correct
right.
it and repaint it
We've
and
got to do a little massaging. You know, some people don't financially have it to be able to get something new, so we do have to do a little bit of fixing, but it's okay. We love all of our customers, big and small.
just here to help out.
Yes, sir.
Well, it's a privilege for us,
Oh yeah,
because these people don't have to have these cars.
No, it's a blessing to work off.
that's right.
Yeah.
It's a luxury item.
Yes.
That's right. And they come to us to entrust enough in us to get their stuff right. Says a lot. Makes you feel good
Yes,
in the
sir.
Creative Raj neighborhood. Y'all be good. See you next time.